Healthy hair, happy you. The magic of conditioning. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our series on personal hygiene and grooming. Today, we're focusing on a very important part of our morning routine: hair care. More specifically, we're going to learn all about conditioning hair. Conditioning your hair is a crucial step to maintaining its health, shine, and smoothness. Let's dive right in. In our daily lives, our hair is exposed to various elements that can damage it. These include sunlight, pollution, heat styling, and even the process of shampooing. Conditioning helps restore moisture and nutrients to your hair, making it healthier, shinier, and easier to manage. Example sentences. After I shampoo my hair, I always apply conditioner to keep it moisturized. Conditioning your hair helps to restore its natural shine and smoothness. The process of using conditioner is quite straightforward. After you've finished shampooing your hair, squeeze out a small amount of conditioner, about the size of a quarter, and apply it to the mid-lengths and ends of your hair. Leave it on for a few minutes to allow it to absorb, then rinse thoroughly. Example sentences. Make sure you apply conditioner from the mid-lengths to the ends of your hair, avoiding the roots. After applying conditioner, leave it on for a few minutes before rinsing it out. Just as different skin types require different skincare products, different hair types require different types of conditioner. For example, if you have dry hair, you might need a deeply moisturizing conditioner, while those with oily hair might benefit from a lightweight, volumizing conditioner. Example sentences. If your hair is dry, opt for a deeply moisturizing conditioner to help hydrate your strands. For oily hair, a lightweight conditioner can help add volume without weighing your hair down. And that's a wrap on conditioning your hair. Remember, maintaining a proper hair care routine, including conditioning, can make a big difference in how your hair looks and feels. We hope you found this video helpful and now understand the importance of conditioning your hair. Until next time, keep learning and stay beautiful. Remember, learning English is not just about learning the language itself, but also learning about the culture and daily habits that come with it. So don't forget to practice your new vocabulary and sentences in your everyday conversations. See you in the next video.